We're going to address the issue of a motorcycle for today's edition of The Law and You. Joining us as always are attorneys Greg Fellerman and Edis Sirimboli. Gentlemen, thanks so much for being here today.
Thanks for having us, Dave.
All right, let's get to this question about a motorcycle. My husband wants to buy a motorcycle. Do we need separate insurance for it? And does he have to wear a helmet? The helmet law, kind of a big deal in recent years.
It is. The first issue is, do you need separate insurance? There are not a lot of automobile insurance companies that also write motorcycle insurance. So the answer is you probably do need a separate policy. Call your insurance company. If you can put your motorcycle on the same insurance policy, it's very beneficial for you to do that. You can get stacked coverage. You can make sure that you're protected, because what's going to happen is if you have to move your motorcycle to a separate policy, there are a number of exclusions that apply, and the insurance, the coverage limits are generally not as high for a motorcycle as they are for a car. So if you can, put them on the same policy. It's to your benefit, it's to your family's benefit. But if you can't do that, then find a company that will give you pretty high coverage limits and also will sell either under or uninsured motorist coverage on that policy as well.
And the issue with regarding the helmet, in Pennsylvania, the law is pretty clear. You are not required to wear a helmet. However, in our experience, and we handle hundreds of motorcycle accidents, anytime there's a motorcycle accident, the injuries are just staggering. So having the protection of a helmet makes a ton of sense. And when we see people without them wearing them, we understand the freedom concept and that that's what they want to do. But when there is an accident with a motorcycle, the injuries are massive, and the helmets are so protective. They help your brain if you're in a collision. So we recommend that everyone wears a helmet. Absolutely.
All right, gentlemen, for our viewers that may need more help if they're in a situation with a motorcycle accident, how can they reach you?
They can reach us on the web at 714hurt.com, or they can call the office at 570-714-4878.
Also, like us on Facebook, and if you have a question that you would like answered, post it on our page, and we'll do our best to answer it on the next Law and You session.
All right, results matter with attorneys Greg Fellerman and Edis Sirimboli. Thanks so much for being here for today's edition of The Law and You.
Thanks, Dave.
And if you would like your question submitted on the show, just head to pahomepage.com.